Hi, I'm Celine, and at AgileSRC, we have spent over 15 years delivering innovative technology solutions, including helping businesses unlock the full potential of the cloud. Transitioning to the cloud is one of the smartest moves your business can make. If you are not careful, mistakes made during the migration can lead to costly setbacks. Did you know that over 60% of the cloud migration projects exceeded their budget due to common pitfalls? And that is why today I'm going to share 5 common mistakes companies make when migrating to AWS, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. From strategy to security, these insights could save your project from unnecessary risk. Then let's get started. The first mistake is diving into migration without clear goals. Many companies rush to AWS with no concrete plan other than we are moving everything to the cloud. Here is the issue. Without specific objectives, it's impossible to measure success or align your migration strategy with your business needs. The solution? Define your why before you start. Are you aiming for better scalability, faster application performance, improved reliability, or cost savings? When your goals are clearly outlined, you can design a migration roadmap that aligns with your business needs and sets you up for success. Now let's talk about using the right tools. One common mistake is treating AWS like a traditional data center, just lifting and shifting on-premise systems into EC2 instances without rethinking the approach. Here is the problem. That mindset doesn't take advantage of what makes AWS so powerful. Its cloud-native services. For example, instead of hosting files on an instance, switch to S3 for cost-effective and scalable storage. Replace those bulky monolithic applications with serverless solutions like Lambda for better agility. And when it comes to running containers, services like Fargate can save you time and effort by managing the infrastructure for you. Speaking of cost, here's a mistake that hits hard. Ignoring cost optimization. Many businesses assume moving to AWS automatically reduces expenses, but without a cost strategy, you might spend more than expected. Why? Because your resources like EC2 and RDS can quickly add up if not managed properly. What is the fix? Use AWS cost management tools to track expenses in real time and implement auto-scaling to only pay for what you use. Also take advantage of reserved instances for predictable workloads. Additionally, consider using spot instances for non-critical tasks to achieve significant cost savings by leveraging unused AWS capacity. Let's talk about security because it's non-negotiable. Unfortunately, it's often treated as afterthought during migration. Some companies skip critical steps like enabling encryption, performing compliance checks, or properly managing user access. The risk? These oversights leave your business exposed to breaches that could cost you not just money, but trust. So how do you avoid this? Build security in your migration from the start. Take advantage of AWS's powerful security tools like identity and access management, called as IAM, to control access. Enable encryption by default to safeguard your data, and schedule regular audits to stay compliant. By making security priority, not an afterthought, you will not only protect your business, but also earn your customers' confidence. Finally, let's talk about one of the most important pieces of the puzzle, your people. A smooth migration isn't just about technology, it's about making sure your team is ready to adapt and thrive in the new environment. Too often, businesses underestimate the human side of the migration. Without proper training and clear plan for managing the transition, confusion and inefficiency can take over. Even worse, you might face resistance to the new workflows. So how do you avoid this? Start by investing in comprehensive AWS training for your team, ensuring they have the skills and confidence to navigate the new tools. Then create a strong change management plan that clearly communicates the benefits of the migration, not just for the business, but for them. When your team is informed and empowered and on board, the transition becomes not only smoother, but also more successful as well. So there you have it, the 5 common mistakes to avoid when migrating to AWS. Lack of clear goals, ignoring cloud-native features, overlooking cost optimization, insufficient security planning, and inadequate training and change management. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you will set your migration up for success, save resources, and maximize the value of AWS. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more expert tips on cloud migration. And if you need a professional guidance, AgileSRC is here to help. Let's talk about how we can support your AWS journey. See you in the next video. Bye for now.